Hi, I'm Tawila. I've been lashing for 3 years. This channel is dedicated to all things lashes and beauty, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. In today's video, we're going to be going over all things related to a strip lash look. A strip lash look is a fully customized set based off of a strip lash that a client will bring into you, and you're able to map that out and basically give her a replicated look based off of that strip lash. With this custom set, you're going to need a very strategic lash map. And you will also have to incorporate a technique using spikes. By using these two special techniques, it does make the service time a little bit longer, therefore you're able to have this priced at a premium price. With custom sets, it does take an extended amount of time, and that is what justifies the premium pricing. Here's an example of some strip lashes that a client might bring in wanting to replicate a strip lash look. Looking at it right away, most girls are going to think that this is just a wispy look. There's a big difference between wispy and spiky. So from looking at this strip lash alone, you can kind of tell that the client would want her length more in the middle, like an open eye, and you can see that she wants the high points and the low points. So normally when I would do a strip lash look, I would go in and put my high points in first, which are the spikes. So you would just go through, and I'm going to show you, like, this is a high point. You could see that there would be a spike right here, and then you go in and put another spike in the other high point, and there's another one, for example. And then once all your high points are distributed through the lash, you're gonna go in and put your low points in. And normally low points are about 3 millimeters shorter than the highest point. So just keep that in mind when someone comes in with shorter lashes that are naturally on the shorter side. You're gonna wanna drop their lengths down based off of their natural lashes. With that being said, you wanna make sure that you have a super in-depth consultation with each client. Sometimes clients can't hold a strip lash look. If they have super brittle, short, natural lashes, they're not gonna be able to hold the spikes the same way someone with really healthy natural lashes would. So that's something you're gonna wanna discuss with them and just be totally transparent with them, because if they can't hold a strip lash look, you don't wanna charge them this premium price if they're not gonna be satisfied in the end. Another thing that you wanna take into consideration is that strip lashes generally come in 25 millimeter and up. Normally, natural lashes can't hold a millimeter that long. So you just want to make sure you let your client know that you can replicate their strip lash to an extent, but it's not going to be an exact copy, because natural lashes do play a big factor into that. Although this set isn't as full as a mega set would be, it does require more maintenance, so that might require your client coming in more often. If they lose a spike and they have that desired strip look at all times, if they lose 1 or 2 spikes, that's gonna be noticeable right off the bat. So they might wanna come in for weeklies or more often than the 2-week general fill. So you just wanna keep that in mind and let them know right off the bat that this will be a commitment if they do want to proceed with the service. If you would like to find a more in-depth, step-by-step tutorial on how to do a strip lash look, you can find it at livbaysupplies.com. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope it brought a ton of value to you. A question for you is, have you done a strip lash look? Leave your answers in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.